This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by examining the damaged lightning cable precisely so you know where to act. Locate frays, kinks, or broken shielding. Once done, gather the essentials: a small soldering iron, 1/8 1/4-inch heat shrink tubing, small pliers, wire strippers, and a multimeter for continuity checks. Make sure to unplug the cable and work on a non-conductive surface to avoid shorts. These first steps set up a safe, effective repair workflow and prevent further damage while you proceed. You cut away the compromised section and strip about 3 to 4 millimeters of insulation from each conductor so connections are clean and visible. This exposes the small inner wires without nicking them. Next, tin each conductor lightly, align matching color-coded wires, and solder with quick, targeted contact to avoid overheating the insulation. Once soldered, slide appropriate heat shrink over the joint. Test continuity with the multimeter to confirm correct connections, then shrink the tubing evenly. You now reinforce the repair. Layer adhesive or epoxy around the joint if available, then cover with a larger heat shrink sleeve to recreate the cable's outer sheath. This restores strain relief and prevents immediate refraying. After cooling, test the cable for charging and data transfer on both a device and a computer to verify functionality. If it still fails, make sure to recheck each soldered joint and continuity. Sometimes replacing the connector end or using fresher wire fixes stubborn faults. Focus on cold joints as the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.